How to fix Snapchat lag in Realme C53 or C55. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. Now scroll down and click on Snapchat app and click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory of Snapchat app. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now click on software update and here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After update a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then press and hold on Snapchat app and then uninstall your app. After uninstall the app, then reinstall it. After that, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.